first step we need to do is draw his head. His head's going to start by going up like this, and then we're going to make like a little triangle in the middle, and then we're going to follow that same pattern down on the other side. And there's going to be another triangle for this side, and then same for the other. Another triangle here. From this triangle, we're going to go down a bit, inwards. Same thing for this one, down and inwards. Now we're going to go from about here and start to make his face go down, past, a little past that line, go out, and then in. And we're going to repeat that same pattern over here. So we'll start here and then go out, down to about where this side is, and then we'll go out, and then we'll go back in. After that, we're going to draw the shape of his eyes. We're going to do that by going down and in on this side. Same thing for this side. We'll go down and in. We're going to make a circle like this and another circle like this. I'm going to make this side just a little bit more in to match that one. For his nose, we'll start about here and go around and around and around, and then back this way. There we go. Now to continue his nose, I'm going to make that line go past the bridge of his nose, and this line goes past. We're also going to make little flared nostrils like this. Same thing for the other side. Goes out and in. Now we're going to make a line down, and then same thing on the other side, a line down. We're going to make his teeth. So from this side, we're going to go in and up, and then we're going to continue drawing like little zigzags for the teeth. And technically you can put as many or as little as you want for the teeth. There's my teeth. Next, we're going to start the mouth. It's going to go out and in a bit. Same thing on this side, we'll go out and in a bit. Don't worry about the bottom jaw, and this whole part's going to be a flame anyways. So that's okay if you, as far as you want on this side. Now we're going to start to draw his body. His body, I'm going to start about here, and then you're going to go out, down, and in. Kind of repeating that pattern again. You're going to go out, down, and in. Same thing on the other side. You will go from here, and then you go out, down, and in. And then we'll do it again. Out, down, and in. We're going to come back over here and do the rest of his arm by starting here and going down. And then we're going to go here, a little edge, another one, and go around that way. Same thing for the other side. We will start here and then go around, and then we're going to circle it back inwards like this. This is going to be part of his hand. I'm going to make a detail of his fingers like this, and then go back inwards. We're going to go back out, and then a curved line in. We're going to make a curved line out like this, go back in, and then to finish off the hand, we'll start here and go around and finish that off. Same thing for this hand. We're going to start here and go in a bit. Then we're going to come out and make another spike for a claw. There we go. Now we're going to come back in and out that way. We're going to start about here and go out, and then come back in, and then we'll round it out to finish the hand, just like the other side. There we go. Now we're going to start about here and go up, and there's little details everywhere with Godzilla. So there's another one from this side. Finish the arm, add that detail line to go inwards. There we go. We're going to finish off the jaw. I'm going to start here and go down a bit, and then same thing for the other side. Start here and go down, and then come in just a little. Now we're going to start to make the flame going outwards. So start in his mouth. I'm going to start kind of by the teeth, and you can make it big, small, however you want. My flames are just going to make little patterns of spikes like this. And we're going to round it back. Keep making crazy spikes all the way to the end. Same thing for the other side. You'll start in the mouth, kind of by the teeth, and go out, and then we'll go down, make like a weird spike, go back, come back around. It's really however you want the fire to be. I'm just making curves, and keep doing these curves all the way down, just like the other side. There we go. Now in the flame, you can add detail. In the middle, I'm going to add white, and then I'm going to have a darker blue for the outside, and then a lighter blue flame for the outside here. For his eyes, I'm also going to choose blue. Let's start finishing the body off. All you have to do is round the sides into the flame, just like that. Now he has big kind of spikes coming out from the back. Let's start in the middle. On top of his head, we're going to go up and then come down a bit. Make a curve up this way. Make it curve back around. And then another spike up. And then come down kind of where those horns are. We're going to draw another spike, starting here, and go up. And then we'll curve down. Spike it back up. Curve back down. We're going to spike it out this way. And then come down. One more spike. So it's kind of the same pattern, but over here. We're going to start back at this horn and go up. And then we'll come down. We're going to go back up. And then we're going to come down again. And then we'll go up and back down. Let's start making some patterns on his head. We're going to make kind of these little creases just to show more detail. I made a triangle there and then 2 lines in the middle of his face. I'm going to finish off the face just a little bit coming in to the flame. Looks good. Let's start coloring. I added a little line here for his teeth, but other than that, he's done. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos. I will see you next time. Bye.